Hello everyone, today we're going to be making our own face and body cream using only 2 ingredients. And our first ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. I have my aloe vera gel here. I got this on Amazon, but you can use any aloe vera gel that you have at home. So grab your mixing bowl and add some aloe vera gel into it. I use aloe vera so much. For example, when I'm making lip gloss, face creams, body scrub, it's so soothing, so it's really a great moisturizer for your skin. I'm gonna go ahead and add my olive oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. For example, grapeseed oil, we have avocado oil, coconut oil, clove oil. Also, in this video, I'm not measuring my ingredients, so just add ingredients depending on how you want the consistency of your cream be like. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It really means a lot to me. And go ahead, click on that notification bell button so that every time I upload new videos, you won't miss out. I wanna go ahead and add my second oil. Like I said, just add ingredients depending on how you want the consistency of your cream, like, also on how much quantity you want to make. Add your vitamin E capsules if you have any and mix well. So at this stage, if you love essential oils as much as I do, go ahead and add your favorite essential oil drops. Well, this looks super good and the smell is really amazing, guys. Transfer your cream into your storage containers and you're good to go. So guys, you can use this cream on your face, your body, and it's really good for your skin. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe on your way out if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.